Creating manager and employee accounts in Maestro. In this video, we will walk through how to set up manager and employee accounts and how to manage account access levels. We will start by creating a manager account. In this example, it will be for a front manager. First, log into Maestro using your admin credentials. Then, navigate to the User Account tab and select Manager. Currently, this system has no managers. A new manager account can be created by entering information in the labeled areas. Input a new employee ID, e.g. front manager. IDs can be alphabetical, numerical, or name-based. Set the job code to manager, then enter the first name and last name. The remaining fields in basic information are optional. For the account password, select the password text field and scan your EBS manager card in the new PW and confirm PW text fields. Optionally, you can enter a numerical password, however, using the EBS card is recommended. This prevents unauthorized use of the manager's credentials by cashiers. Please note that all passwords must be unique because they will be used as the account's login. Under the POS tab, enable all functions necessary for the manager account. Account access and functionality should be determined by the business owner. Under the Back Office tab, you can assign access to specific Maestro functions such as access to reports, employee management, and payroll settings, depending on the manager type. In this example, we do not want the front manager to have access to Maestro, so we will leave the Back Office section unchecked. Optionally, you can set up employee payment information. First, select the pay type, either hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Then enter the payment amount. This is how much the employee is paid per the time range selected in pay type. In this example, this manager account gets paid $3,500 per month. Enter spread of hours and overtime amounts if applicable. Finally, click Save on the top right to finalize the account. The account will be added to the list at the bottom if saved successfully. You can also create the owner account from the manager section. Enter the owner information the same way as we did for the manager account. Enter employee ID, e.g. owner, then select manager as the job code. For the password, either use an EBS card or use a secure, easy-to-remember password, e.g. 1975. Assign full access to both POS and back office by selecting the top checkboxes. Leave payment info blank, then save the account. Owners will now have unrestricted access to Maestro reports, management tools, and register functionality. Owners will retain full visibility of reports, inventory, and system settings. You can use the owner account to create manager and employee accounts. In this example, we will create a grocery employee, which will not have access to the POS. Log into the owner account and navigate to the user account menu and select employee. Here, we will create an employee account. This process will be the same as creating manager and owner accounts, but with different function access. Assign an employee ID and set the job code to grocery. Input the employee's first and last name. Assign a password. A 4-digit PIN is recommended. Under POS, leave Use POS unchecked to restrict register access. Under Payment, set the wage, e.g. $16 per hour. Save the employee profile. Since we left the POS checkbox unchecked, grocery employees will not be able to log into Symphony POS. If attempted, they will see a "Cannot use POS system" message. To create a new department job code, log back into Maestro, navigate to the User Account tab, and select Job Code. In this example, we will create a maintenance job code. Type maintenance in the job code name text box and add a description, e.g. cleaning. Set a default wage if desired, e.g. $16 per hour. Click Save to add the job code to the system. If the save is successful, the new job code will be added to the highlighted list.